Hello, everyone. Today's devotional text is from the Old Testament book of Habakkuk. We are in chapter 2. In the first chapter, we covered the idea that things weren't going well in Judah. And Habakkuk the prophet had prayed to God saying, hey, don't you see there are big problems here? What are you going to do about it? God had answered in chapter 1 saying, I've got a great plan. It's a wonderful plan. I'm going to send the Babylonians in, and they're going to invade the nation of Judah. Habakkuk is not excited about that plan. You get the impression that he was hoping for something a little bit more like, an internal coup, a strategic heart attack, not invasion by a foreign enemy. So he issues another complaint to God and says, hey, I don't like this plan one bit. And as we get into chapter 2, Habakkuk is still speaking. This is the opening line. I will climb up to my watchtower and stand at my guard post. There I will wait to see what the Lord says and how he will answer my complaint. Habakkuk has issued his complaint to God, and now he is going to faithfully and be committed to listening for God's response. To be in the watchtowers, to be in a place specifically engineered for being able to see far distances very, very carefully. And to be on guard is to be committed to listening 24/7. So Habakkuk is essentially saying that he is confident in God's response, but he is going to listen very, very carefully for it. And in the very next verse, God does reply. Then the Lord said to me, write my answer plainly on tablets, so that a runner can carry the correct message to others. This vision is for a future time. It describes the end and will be fulfilled. If it seems slow in coming, wait patiently, for it will surely take place. It will not be delayed. God is replying to Habakkuk by saying, listen, I have heard your prayer, and I want to be absolutely clear with you what's going to happen next. What goes on for the rest of this chapter is that God says, yes, I am allowing an evil, treacherous nation to invade Judah because, quite frankly, Judah asked for it. God isn't punishing Judah per se. Judah's bringing it upon themselves. But as we see as the chapter progresses, his response is that treacherous people will get what they have coming to them, and the righteous people will learn, grow, and always be protected by God. And so we get what is called the 5 woes, where essentially God says, listen, those who are faithful will eventually prevail, and those who have taken the faithful into captivity will ultimately be the recipients of punishment. And he clocks through 5 different scenarios over the rest of the chapter to give confidence to Habakkuk and to the people of Israel that he is the God who is in charge. And so, as we wrap things up today, that would be the thought I want to share with you, is that God is tough enough to hear our complaints. He can handle it, and if we are faithful, he will reply. We just need to learn how to stand in our watchtowers and take up our guard posts, listen carefully, and trust in God. And then the second point that God makes to us in this is we've got to be patient. He'll give us the plan, but the plan is in his timing, not ours. And so, with all that said, let us go forward today knowing that God does, in fact, have an amazing plan for each and every one of us. We just need to be patient. It'll work out exactly the way he wants it to. Have a great day, everyone. If these devotional videos are helpful to you, subscribe to our channel and click the notification button so you know when we post a new video. And of course, please share them with others.